Stop all that shit, nigga.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
This one is yours because my friend told me. Oh, it's yours? Okay. My friend told me that they delivered some boxes here. That was for him.
Oh no,
and they
it's
sent
for
that
me.
picture.
It's for me.
Oh, it's for you? Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
No problem.
It's getting real sad. We're going to have to start chaining up all porch furniture. Check these two lovers out. I guess they're going through a little breakup.
Like, yeah, I'm not trying to be rude or anything. Like, I
You're
have to
not gonna let
stand
me
it.
in?
No, I don't feel like talking to you right now.
I'm not gonna even talk.
I don't
Promise
even
to
want
God, I'm not gonna talk. I'm
I'm
not gonna
fine.
say nothing.
That's fine. I don't want to talk right now. I don't have to.
You asked to be in my company and I always say yes, and then when I ask you say no.
Nakia, you can keep on doing that here, cool. But when you ask me to leave your place, I always leave. I said good night.
I
I'm
never
listening
asked
to
you to
my
leave.
music. I'm laying down. My back hurt. My body
Okay,
hurt.
so
I'm
I
tight.
just wanna sit. I just wanna
I'm
sit. That's it. Can I sit?
Have a good night, Nakia.
That's how you gonna do me?
I don't want any company right now.
I ain't no fucking company. Wife, can I please come in?
Baby, I don't
I'm
want us to do
asking.
this. I don't want us to do this. I just don't want to be bothered right
I'm
now.
not gonna bother you though. I'm
But you
not
are
gonna
right
bother you at
now.
all.
You are right now. Like, we shouldn't be doing this.
I'm not gonna bother you though. You heard me?
I wish you would just respect my wishes. You really hurt my feelings because you just won't leave me alone. I don't want to talk right now.
You said I'm gonna leave. Oh, you called me earlier. Yeah. Oh wow. I hit you up. You hit me up. You said you missed me.
So you still gonna just stand right here and talk. Have a good night. Please don't press the button. If you do, I'm not answering it. That's fine.
To the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Check these people out. This guy comes onto this porch to serve something for the landlord, but they end up getting into a pretty big dispute.
Yeah, what's up? Hello? What's up? What is that?
Notice from the landlord.
Tell him he can stick it up his ass. Go to hell. Get off my property. Fuck you.
Wow, come outside and say that shit. I'll beat your ass, bro.
Tell
Stop all
him
that
to
shit.
get off my
Stop
property.
all that shit, nigga. Shut the fuck up.
Do you want me
Oh,
to
who
call
the
the
fuck you
police?
think you are? Who the fuck you
Man,
think
get
you
off
are,
that.
bitch?
What
Oh,
the fuck is
man.
wrong with you? That's my son. I'm in Arkansas and I'll call the police. I'll call the federal officers.
Come do it.
Who the fuck you think you are,
Come
motherfucker?
do it.
Get off my goddamn
Come do
property.
it.
Get off my
Bring
goddamn
your punk ass
property.
outside. Hey,
You
you scared to come outside,
cocksucking
nigga?
motherfucker!
What's up?
Fuck you!
What's up? Hey, you
Get
come out
off
your
my
house.
goddamn
It's
property,
his
you
house,
cocksucker!
motherfucker. It's his
Fuck
house,
you!
man.
Suck
It's
my
his
dick,
house.
bitch! Get
You
off my
what?
fucking
You
property!
squatted,
Fuck
motherfucker.
you! Fuck you, motherfucker! I'm calling it. You're the landlord? You're the landlord? I'm calling the police right now, you cocksucker!
Lord, protect him. God,
God
protect him.
damn
God,
it!
protect
Guess
him.
what? You
Don't
got
fight him.
served,
Protect
bitch.
him. Busted out his fence on the porch.
Goddamn landlord sent this cocksucker over here! I can't even open up my fucking door now! I can't even open up my goddamn door!
The guy damaged the door. He can't even get out his front door.
Hello, how can I help you?
Miss William Farrell, ma'am. I'm one of your neighbors. I've got a problem. I'm sorry I woke you. I'm real sorry. But if it's possible, my son down here, he's a diabetic, little William. And I literally have nothing in the house. And I don't have nothing to get anything to eat him or more, much less insulin. And what I was trying to find out, I've been asking my neighbors, and so far, no luck. If somebody could spare about $25 so I can give us some food and his son's one shot.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I don't have anything. I don't have anything. And I see you got a Motel 6 card
Yes,
in your hand.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
no, I don't have anything. I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
The door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I was going to say about getting help, calling the non-emergency police number because my phone just died and I need to get some property out of your nearby neighbor's home. I was going to see if you could help me. I seen you guys at the church sign, and I just felt like the Lord was telling me to ask you guys. So
Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is he legit?
Excuse me. Excuse me. I have your picture. Are you kidding me? Who is that? Somebody who just stole our packages.
Don't forget about those locked mailbox. Keep these weirdos out of your personal information.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
What do you guys think? Is he trying to phone home? Don't forget about your other delivery options, or try to grab them as soon as possible.
Hello.
Excuse me. Sorry. God bless you. I need to go. Sorry. Come here, let me.
Leave.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
a message, you can do it now.
No, I don't leave a message.
Don't forget to leave your comments below. I love reading your thoughts.
I'm gonna bring it to you. And then she answers the door. I'm gonna talk to you, okay? I like the door. Come on.
Now. Yeah. Fuck you.
This lady follows this man home and messes with his camera. Not sure what she has planned. Please try to be aware of your surroundings at all times. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.